Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about the Revolut Metal Card. Let's begin. Revolut Metal is the top-tier card from Revolut, built for users who want premium features, modern design, and full control of their finances. The card itself is made from a single sheet of reinforced steel, giving it a premium feel and sleek look that definitely stands out. But it's not just about the design, the real value is in the benefits. You get up to 1% cash back on every purchase with rewards paid in your choice of currency or even crypto. It includes free airport lounge access through Smart Delay, perfect for frequent travelers. You're also covered with global travel insurance, including medical, trip delay, and even winter sports. ATM withdrawal limits are higher than on standard plans, and you get priority customer support directly in the app. Revolut Metal also supports stock and crypto trading, budgeting tools, and disposable virtual cards for safer online payments, all in one powerful app. If you're someone who travels often, shops globally, or just wants a stylish card packed with smart financial features, Revolut Metal is a solid choice. That's it for this honest review of the Revolut Metal Card. Thanks for watching.